guys, welcome back to Raised Trains. Alright, now you all know where I am, obviously. We're here at Grzyboski's, but why are we here at Grzyboski's? Any guesses from anybody? Oh, well, who do we know that has a blue Camaro? Take your guesses now. Alright, let's go inside. Alright guys, we're here at Grzyboski's with plenty of new stuff here. We're with Hudson. How you doing, Del?
Doing great today, new engine day.
So we're gonna unbox it here in the store, and we'll see what Del's got going on here today. He got a tanker as well.
Yep.
The new tankers are here. Del likes the
GATX,
you know, the kind of unmarked, even though they're marked. But.
Is this a new style of box?
Oh yeah. So it's not on its side.
It's on the top. A vertical box. Oh my god. Get these side ones out first if I can. Maybe they don't come out yet. Oh, there we go.
I don't even know which one you got. Oh yeah.
Oh,
okay,
yeah.
There we go.
Let me get the plastic off it here. Pennsylvania.
All right. So what is it, Del?
It's a GP9.
New GP9s from Lionel. It matches Art's GP30 now with this antennas on the top here.
Ooh, these railings are very fine here. All right, let's put her on the track.
Baby.
Amateur hour here.
No. It's going good.
Okay, now where are the switches at on this? You got the railings in the top. Maybe the switches are on the underside.
Oh, this thing looks great.
How come the sound didn't come on?
Do you still have your stuff, or did you whittle it down?
No, I got rid of some of the
Ooh, there's a
stuff.
bud car.
Oh yeah, the bug cars are over there.
Okay. Ooh, it's alive.
Dispatcher, am I cleared to the outbound? Over. Hold for signal indication. Dispatcher out.
Yep, that's the cheesy kick. Oh, look at coming forward, so it's set up for forward being long nose forward. So we'll switch it around. So you have to, if you're gonna run it with the short foot forward, you gotta run it in reverse. So they got that down right.
Dispatcher, are we clear through the diamond? Over. Roger, your track is clear. Dispatcher out.
Del, of your purchase?
Oh, I love it. I have a work train that I'm going to run this with. I haven't put any of that on Instagram yet, but stay tuned. If you're a follower of mine, you'll see the gorgeous work train that I'm working on.
Okay. Thanks, Del, and thanks, Joe. All right, Del got more than just that Jeep, by the way. He's got quite a haul today.